So hello my dear friends, today we will see how you can get CUET 24 course on NviNomics app. Just after downloading the app, you can see that there will be home screen and CUET PG 24 course live. You can get it, but before that, first you can go to the free study material section where you can have so many class notes, live lectures, so that you should be satisfied कि yes, I am getting knowledge from the good faculty. So you can check it out. On the top of the left there will be study material section. There will be 3 lines, and after clicking this, these are the free demo lectures you can watch first, then you can go back to the course. Okay, on the top side left 3 bottom can see. Then if you will keep scrolling, okay, there will be live courses section. Just click on live courses. Right now you can see that these are the courses. There are 38777 rupees course, that is the live course batch of CUET PG Economics 24 batch. The moment you will click there, then such kind of portal will open, and right on the right side there will be buy now option. Just you have to click on buy now, and automatically you will be registered to the course, and everything will be smoothly. You can get the class. So this was the detailed about CUET PG 24 course live. You can get it from NviNomics app. Please download the app link is given below, and all details are here already given. You can direct call us also, and just go back, click on live courses. The moment you will click, you can get the course, and you can do also live chat option. On the clicking on the live chat, you can just chat to the NviNomics. ठीक है, just you click live course. The moment you will click the live course, now all the live course which is available on the app, it will be automatically open. ठीक है, so here I am including, it will look like this. Okay, so here it will look like this. CUET PG 24 batch fee is around 3800 rupees. Okay guys, thank you so much. Join the course. All the best. See you soon in the next video guys.